everyone, I'm here in Helen, Georgia, this little German town. We were just out and about, and my mother. Hi.
Where's your mom?
Where's your mom?
Chattahoochee River?
Yeah, Chattahoochee River.
About to ride a coaster on the Chattahoochee, where it's hotter than a hoochie coochie.
They have a coaster here, so we gotta get the cred. It is right here. It's called the Georgia Mountain Coaster. It is Georgia's only mountain coaster, which is pretty cool. So let's go. So you gotta go up this flight of stairs right here. And then you get some good views right over here.
Look at this view.
Look at that. Alright, you get up here. There's some lockers in this building, it looks like. Right, so, $17. 14 big kids. All right.
We got you.
That was awesome.
I will have to say that's the shortest one I've ever been on. So.
That was my first mountain coaster. That's her first mountain coaster.
Not my first.
Not his first.
So
It's fun.
I thought it was awesome. Tyler says it was shorter than a lot of other ones.
yeah, it was a good little ride.
It was 3 minutes up the hill.
Yeah,
Because
it's-
I videoed it.
Yeah, the
It
hill.
was a little on the shorter side. The ones in Pigeon Forge I feel like a little longer. But
Yeah, but it's really fun.
It was a good ride.
Look at this this view here. That's what I think the best part is. And then your second ride, first time you ride it, the second one is 50% off, which is pretty cool. All right, everyone. Well, that is it for the Georgia Mountain Coaster. I thought it was pretty fun. But on that note, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to Just Out and About for all your theme park, coaster, travel content. Yeah, check out the rest of our Helen, Georgia footage. I'm sure there'll be plenty more. Like this video, share this video out,
Smash it.
smash that like button, leave a comment down below. I'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone.